This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 20th of May. I'm Michael Groff, and yes, it is the 20th of May despite what may be going on outside, like Flagstaff this morning. They're waking up to snowflakes coming down, 34 degrees. Even here in the valley, we'll see temperatures well below average for much of the upcoming week. What is going on? Let's talk about it first. We'll take a look at the almanac from yesterday. 81 degrees was the high in the valley. 68 the morning low, so we were about 15 degrees below where we should be for our high temperature yesterday. And outside right now, here at 8:30 a.m., partly sunny skies in the valley, 61 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 37, humidity 42%, the wind from the west-southwest at 11, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area right now, mid-50s to low 60s for most of us, but you see Thompson Peak checking in at 46 degrees. Now keep in mind, they're up at an elevation near 4,000 feet. But that just shows you the thermal profile going on here across the southwest. Very cool air. And we see on the upper air look why that is. We've got a deep upper low there over southern Nevada, now moving into northern Arizona, southern Utah. And that is pulling down some very cool air here across the southwest. Obviously, we've got snow in northern Arizona. Here in the valley, we might see some rain today, which we'll detail in just a moment. But regardless of what happens, temperatures will be around 20 degrees below normal today. The watch warning map, we've got some winter weather advisories out here in parts of the west. Wind advisories extend into the southern plain states. Flash flood watches, a few flash flood warnings north of that. North Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri. And the severe weather outlook for today, we've got the rare high risk. That's level 5 out of 5 for parts of the Texas Panhandle, North Texas, and central Oklahoma around Oklahoma City. The moderate risk, level 4 out of 5, includes places like Enid and Wichita Falls, Texas, as well as Tulsa. And even the marginal risk is for a good portion of the southern and central plains. And as if there's not enough going on, the tropics heating up in the Atlantic Basin. We've got a wave out there off the East Coast showing now a 60% chance of development over the next 48 hours. Now, luckily, this does not look like it's going to impact any major land areas, but we will have to keep an eye on this feature. And closer to home, over the eastern Pacific, we've got a wave out there. No chance of this developing in the next 48 hours, only a 20% chance that this develops over the next 5 days. But even though the likelihood is this would not affect us at all here in the Southwest, it's just been that kind of a season so far where nearly anything is possible. So we will, of course, let you know what happens with that. Precipitation outlook valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in the valley, spotty at best, but there could be anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 inch or more of precipitation. Some of it rain, some of it snow in northern Arizona. We'll break down the details of what is going on right now as we take a look at the models and check it out. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. Deep trough extends from the Pacific Northwest here into the greater southwestern United States. Cold air being pulled down. So down at the surface today, we'll call it partly sunny. And we do have a slight chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms with the very cold air aloft and some moisture available here. We could just see those isolated showers and storms. And even if you get those, they're not going to produce much in terms of precipitation. But any one of them might put down some small hail briefly. Some brief heavy rain, gusty winds a possibility. Now, it's going to be breezy today regardless. High temperatures only in the low to middle 70s. The normal high for today is 96 degrees. So anywhere from 21 to 25 degrees below normal for today here in the valley. Tonight, partly cloudy skies, slight chance of evening showers and thunderstorms. And then we'll just continue with the clouds overnight. Lows mostly in the 50s. Again, around 15 to 19 degrees below normal for our overnight lows. And then tomorrow, how about this? Mostly sunny skies. Will be windy, though, with southwest winds, 20 to 30 miles an hour. Could see gusts to 40. Stronger winds in northern Arizona. And high temperatures getting back into the upper 70s to near 80. But then another deep low comes through the southwest on Wednesday, and that's going to cool us off again. We'll see a slight chance of showers, perhaps here in the valley. I've kept them out of the forecast for now, but the models continue to insist that at least there could be a few showers in here. Certainly better chances of rain, and yes, mountain snow, northern Arizona. And high temperatures on Wednesday, upper 60s to low 70s. That's what the guidance is going with for now. Almost unprecedented cool weather for this time of year. All right, moving on to Thursday. That system begins to move off to the east. Temperatures will recover just a bit. Partly cloudy skies. Highs get back into the upper 70s to low 80s, but that's still way below average. Friday, we're back in the mid and upper 80s with mostly sunny skies. Then over the weekend, we have more troughing passing north of Arizona, not nearly as deep as the system's coming through now, but still that'll hold temperatures in check somewhat. Highs close to 90 on Saturday and Sunday, and that's still a bit below average. So the Memorial Day weekend looks pretty dry for us, but I couldn't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm for northern Arizona. But here in the valley, I don't think we're going to see anything. Then we go to a week from today. This is Monday, Memorial Day, the 27th, and we still have troughing out here across the southwestern states. It's moving off to the east, so we would be drying out for northern Arizona. Temperatures would still be a little bit below average, though, upper 80s to low 90s here in the valley. And then going out 10 days, this is the end of the forecast period, Wednesday the 29th. We've got another low off the Pacific Northwest coast, a mainly zonal type flow here in the southwestern states. Temperatures would be getting back closer to average, but I'd still say, if I had to guess here, high temperatures slightly below normal, likely back in the low and middle 90s. Checking out the temperatures through the period off the GFS Ensemble, and yes, it's got us at 71 on Wednesday. And then temperatures recovering a bit as we head into the weekend and then going out toward June as the ensemble generally brings us closer to average the further out you go. That's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your comments, questions, and suggestions are always encouraged as well. Be safe out there. Enjoy this beautiful weather. Have lunch outside. Take a walk, do whatever you can, enjoy it for the next few days, and we'll see you back here tomorrow morning.